Hello and welcome to Wietzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this weekend, Father's Day weekend, we decided to do something a little different. Hadn't done this in a long time, and we're at a campground in Eastern Washington. A little town called Almota. It's right along the Snake River, but here's the difference. Instead of bringing our camper and doing stuff up in the campground this year, we decided, look at this view, to bring our boat. So yeah, no, not that big boat, the little tiny one to the left of it. So there she is out there. So we towed it over, and we expected some good weather, which we have gotten. So this is just amazing. So this little secluded area, it's a little KOA campground, Boyer State Park or Boyer Park, but oh, here we come. So this is along the Snake River. So if you look in the distance right now, there is, let's zoom in, a cruise boat coming through. So it's just a giant paddle boat, which is pretty interesting. So this water is so deep. We took the boat out yesterday, and some of these places are over 100 feet deep. So these big boats can handle it. I was a little worried about my little boat, and then I parked next to this giant. So, oh, there he is right there. It's just incredible. So let's film this guy going by. We'll stay up here, and then we'll walk down to our boat and see what's going on. So this little mooring area and all these docks is just full of carp. Giant carp, probably 30-40 pounds. And in the mornings, sometimes you can hear some of them, but what they do is they scrape their bodies up against your boat in the mornings, and all sorts of ruckus. There's some over there alongside the pier. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. I hope you guys can, but here comes that river boat. So we're right at the bottom of the lower granite dam, and then so this thing will go up through the locks, which is just incredible. And it's fun to go up there and watch it, and it's kind of a fast process. I can't believe the size of those pumps that they use to fill and clear water with that, but yeah, it's amazing. So here I was worried about, let's see if river's gonna be deep enough for the boat, and then stuff like this goes by, big barges, and so, but there it is. Usually there's people on the deck out there waving at you. Pretty awesome. So we ended up getting some drone shots of us fishing. We found some hot spots. This river's full of smallmouth bass. It's got an abundance of pike minnows, which they're giving you an award for catching those, which is kind of neat. Some of them up to $500 if you get one that's chipped. But it's full of pelicans. We have migrating pelicans on here. The American white pelican. We had a nice big flock of Canadian geese come in this morning. We're just surrounded by birds and animals, coyotes and deer. There's a pelican just flying right over that boat right now. Amazing birds. Some of those things up 9 feet in wingspan. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, so let's walk on down to the boat. See what we're doing as far as the setup. God, what a beautiful morning. All right, so what they do is of course they issue a key to the docks here. So it keeps everything secure. And there's full water, full power. Got everything we need down here. I just left it open. It was actually open this morning when I got here. There's an old gentleman in this old boat sitting right here. Probably caught every fish there was in the river. I should have talked to him to get a little advice, but he takes off before I even get up. And I get up at 4 o'clock, so the guy's incredible. He's probably 90 years old. So here's, let's walk by this big boat. This thing's incredible. See if I can come back here, but gosh, this thing's gotta be, I'm gonna say, I don't know, 50 footer, maybe more. I can't judge about this big. It's incredible. So, there's some carp right there. But yeah, it's fully registered. As a matter of fact, there's a couple here that came all the way down from Alaska. So they took the coast down, got to the Columbia, then got to the Snake and brought their boat all the way down from here. So nice little powered sailboat. Guy over there's been living on his boat for a few weeks. Some houseboats out here, which are really cool. They got us have a slide in the back. People are just having a blast. Here come those cars. I got some there. Let's back up out again. So here's our setup, which has been doing just amazing. We've been up and down this river a bunch in just the last day. So the weather's been super hot. So brought the downriggers by. Probably didn't need them, but well, I think we're gonna try them out today. And just been hanging out, just having a good time. So caught some, like I said, we caught some smallmouth yesterday, whole bunches. I mean, they are all over the place. Didn't get a chance to use a fly rod though. That's what I was gonna do, so topwater action, but that's okay, because we were tossing rapalas and rooster tails and just having a blast. And then we just shut down for probably about an hour and just drifted the river at about 2 miles an hour. And it was just beautiful. The giant canyons along the edge right here. So I guess I should maybe be a salesman for this place, but we have some really good friends that run it. And then our relatives came up from Arizona, so we've just been having a great time. So. All right, well, hopefully next video you see, we'll be out in the water. Have the drone chase this little guy around. So yeah, here I thought I had a decent sized 22-foot boat doing well, and Mr. Roughing It shows up. Sailboat's probably bigger than mine. This guy's bigger than mine. It's all good. So it's all good. And then back in the distance there, I don't know if you see it, but there's another giant yacht that came in yesterday, and it's moored on the outside of this jetty. Unbelievable. Unbelievable what's here. All right, let's see what we can do later. you.